wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best blister treatments. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Adventure Medical Kit's glaciergel has everything you need to treat scrapes and burns, making it a helpful addition to any camping trip. It contains 6 alcohol wipes to clean affected areas and a handful of sterile adhesive dressings which cool on contact. It comes with foot care instructions, and these are breathable and waterproof. However, you get only 2 sizes of bandage. At number 9, created specifically for use on toes, the compeed AW17 plasters are small and discreet and offer instant pain relief and safeguarding of your digits from harm. They can stay in place for several days and help speed up the healing process. These fit in hard-to-reach places and flex with movement, but they're all suited to big toes. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Stretchy and breathable, the Spenco Second Skin Kit contains assorted dressings to protect and cushion vulnerable areas from rubbing and irritation. Their slim yet durable design won't take up much space in your shoe, so you'll barely know they're on. These are made with a medical-grade adhesive and latex-free materials. However, it is overpriced for what you get. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blister treatments, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, made in the USA and infused with vitamins A and C, Body Glide Balm creates a non-greasy barrier that protects hot spots from chafing. This all-natural plant-derived formula is perfect for toes, ankles, and heels, and it glides on easily and won't damage shoes. It contains no added fragrances and is allergen-free and vegan, but it doesn't last as long as other picks. Moving up our list to number 6. Dr. Scholl's moleskin promises to provide all-day relief with its thin design that contours to your feet and protects tender spots. It's made from self-sticking soft cotton flannel and can be trimmed to any size, so it's customizable to the area affected. It's useful for bunions and priced right for tight budgets. However, the edges tend to peel up if you sweat. Halfway up our list at number 5. When preventative measures fail, speeding up the healing process is the next best bet. Brave Soldier Antiseptic is a botanical-rich ointment with antibacterial ingredients that provides relief for everything from road rash and burns to minor cuts and bug bites. It makes a great addition to first aid kits and contains jojoba oil. It may help minimize scarring too. At number 4, Engo oval patches allow you to don any footwear you desire, from work boots to kitten heels. They attach simply to the inside of your shoe rather than your skin, reducing friction and providing immediate relief to existing lesions. They're a slim, unobtrusive design that last for up to 300 miles. These work with orthotics too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If your fully formed blister has already popped, you know that a powerful antibiotic ointment is essential for keeping it clean and helping it heal quickly. These Medique Triple are ideal for stuffing in suitcases or first aid kits and will stave off infection. You get 144 sealed travel packets that are perfect for backpacking. A little goes a long way. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blister treatments, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the ultra-strong BSN medical leukotape is backed with rayon and outfitted with a heavy-duty zinc oxide adhesive. A reliable prevention method, it has a high tensile strength and binds firmly to both hands and feet, staying in place through miles of rugged terrain if needed. It's tearable by hand and can withstand perspiration and rain, and it can be peeled off easily as well. And taking the top spot on our list, a smart choice for runners and athletes, Spenco Protection is a pack of 200 soothing medical-grade gel squares that adhere to the skin, preventing friction and chafing. If you've already got an injury, they'll ease your discomfort. A round version is also available, and they're good for treating burns. They offer a painless removal. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blister treatments, or simply click beneath this video.